Hi, I'm Eric Vogel, one of the founders of VistaXM. And in this video, I'll explore how companies can use customer experience data to transform their marketing strategy and drive better results. At VistaXM, we've helped clients leverage customer experience insights to boost engagement, conversion, and customer sentiment. I'll look at examples like Adobe and Slack, who revamped their marketing by deeply understanding customer language and needs. The key is turning customer experience data into actionable marketing improvements. VistaXM's systematic approach to collecting and analyzing customer experience feedback can provide the treasure map your team needs. Ever wonder why some marketing campaigns feel like they're reading your mind, while others fall completely flat? The secret often lies in customer experience data, and it's transforming how successful companies approach their marketing efforts. Let's start with a surprising fact. Companies that systematically track and use customer feedback in their marketing outperform their competitors by 22% in customer retention. It makes sense when you think about it. They're literally using their customers' own words to speak to them. Take Adobe's journey with their Creative Cloud marketing. They were struggling with message resonance until they decided to dive deep into what their customers were really saying. After analyzing a large set of customer feedback points, they completely revamped their marketing language. The result? Their conversion rates jumped by 30%, and they cut their customer acquisition costs by a quarter. That's the difference between assuming you know what your customers want to hear and really knowing. Here's something fascinating about human psychology. We naturally trust and gravitate towards people and brands that talk like us. When Slack decided to rebuild their marketing strategy, they didn't hire expensive consultants to tell them what to say. Instead, they created a glossary of terms their users used in forums, support tickets, and social media. They then required their marketing team to use this customer dictionary in all their communications. The transformation was remarkable. Not only did negative sentiment about their marketing drop by 95%, but their email open rates more than doubled. Why? Because they were finally speaking the same language as their customers. Think of customer experience data and insights like a treasure map. It comes from three main sources: direct feedback, like surveys and interviews; indirect feedback, so social media and reviews; and behavioral data, how customers use your product or website. Each source tells part of the story, but together they create a complete picture of what your customers really want. HubSpot provides a perfect example of putting this treasure map to use. They analyze customer interactions to understand the real decision points in their customers' journeys. Instead of guessing what contents their prospects needed at each stage, they let the data tell them. The result was a 41% increase in qualified leads and a 35% jump in content engagement. You might be wondering how to implement this in your own marketing strategy. At VistaXM, we stress the importance of being systematic. We set up regular ways to collect customer feedback. Surveys, digital intercepts, and support ticket analysis are great starting points. And we have found that the key is consistency. We're not looking for a one-time snapshot, but rather an ongoing conversation you are having with your customers and prospects. The use of tools helps us make sense of all this feedback and boil it down into actionable insights. We spot patterns in customer language and identify trending topics that you should address in your marketing. But we don't just collect data and insights. We help you act on it by updating your marketing personas regularly based on real feedback, testing new messaging that aligns with customer language, and measuring the results. Speaking of results, how do you know if your CX program is improving your marketing? The VistaXM team will watch for changes in the metrics that really matter to you, such as campaign engagement, customer acquisition costs, conversion rates, and overall customer sentiment. These numbers tell the story of whether you're really connecting with your audience. Looking ahead, the importance of customer experience data is only going to grow. We're leading a rapid evolution in how companies collect and analyze experience data, making it easier than ever to turn customer feedback into marketing gold. Here's the simple truth. The most effective marketing doesn't come from the cleverest copywriters or the most expensive agencies. It comes from truly understanding and reflecting your customers' needs, concerns, and language back to them. When you build your marketing strategy on customer experience data, you're not just shouting into the void, you're having a conversation with people who already want to hear what you have to say. The beauty of this approach is that it creates a virtuous cycle. The more you listen and adapt your marketing, the better it performs. The better it performs, the more customers engage with you. And the more they engage, the more insights you have to work with. In today's noisy marketing landscape, that kind of genuine connection is priceless. Remember, your customers are already telling you exactly what they want to hear. All you have to do is listen. If you have found this video helpful in understanding how customer experience can improve marketing, I encourage you to visit vistaxm.com. There you'll find additional videos and resources focused on optimizing the customer journey at every stage. From personalization to omnichannel support, VistaXM can help you transform your customer experience to boost loyalty, revenue, and sustainable growth. Thank you.